Hello students, today we'll study how to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So if a quadratic equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then its roots or the solutions are given by x is equal to negative b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where what is b? It is the x coefficient, a is the x square coefficient, and c is the constant. So what are your steps? If the equation is not in the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, first you should get it in the standard form. So now let us see some of the problems. Suppose you have to solve this equation x square plus 4x is equal to negative 2 using the quadratic formula. Then in that case, now see, this equation is not in the standard form because right hand side is not 0. So what will you do? Take negative 2 on the left hand side, so it will become positive 2, and then in that case the right hand side will become 0. Now compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So that will give you a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 2. Substitute this in your quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Be careful of the sign. Minus b, that is negative 4 plus or minus root b square 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1, which is minus 4 plus or minus root 4 square is 16, 4 2s are 8 upon 2. So minus 4 plus or minus root 8 upon 2, which you can simplify still further. So minus 4 plus or minus 8, write it as 4 into 2 upon 2. So that is minus 4 plus or minus, now square root of 4 is 2, that means I can write this as 2 root 2 divided by 2. Keep it in mind that many times the student do the mistake of cancelling this 2 with 2 or 4 with 2. That is wrong because these are two separate terms. I can't cancel from only one term. I can cancel how? By taking 2 common. So take a 2 common. So minus 2 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Now see, in the numerator, these are the two factors, that is the product. Okay, so now I can cancel 2 with 2. Secondly, many times the students ask me why there are two signs, plus, minus. Keep it in mind that a quadratic equation in general will have two roots. So these are the two roots. One root is x is equal to minus 2 plus root 2, or x is equal to, the second root will be x is equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Okay, are the steps okay with you? So what are your steps? First, write the equation in the standard form, that is right hand side should be 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write a, b, c and substitute in the formula. Take second problem. Say 3x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Again, now this is already in the standard form. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this case, a is equal to 3, b is negative 4, c is negative 1. Put it in the quadratic formula. So x is negative b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now see this, here you have to be very careful of the sign because b is itself negative. So write it as negative of negative 4 plus or minus root b square, that is minus 4 the whole square minus 4, a is 3, c is negative 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into 3. So what will you get? Negative of negative 4, that is positive 4 plus or minus root, now here negative 4 whole square, that is 16, again negative 4 into negative 1, that will be positive, this sign will become positive, 4 3s are 12 upon 2 into 3, 6, that is 4 plus or minus root 28 upon 6. So 4 plus or minus root 28, that is 7 into 4, 28 is 7 into 4 upon 6. So 4 plus or minus, now in this square root, root of 4 is 2. So 7 will remain inside the square root upon 6. And take again a 2 common, that will be 2 plus or minus root 7 upon 6. So now I can cancel 2 with 6. So that will be 2 plus or minus root 7 upon, now 2 and 6 will cancel, that will give me 3. So what are the two roots of this quadratic equation? X is equal to 2 plus root 7 upon 3, or 2 minus root 7 upon 3. Now keep it in mind that when you write the answer in this form, this is called as exact form. But many a times the question can be asked to like this. Solve the quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation and give your answer and give your answer to three significant figures. So take this problem, 2x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so your first step, since the equation is in the standard form, write the values of a, b and c. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is negative 1. Use the quadratic formula. X is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, that is negative 3 plus or minus root b square, that is 3 square minus 4, a is 2, c is negative 1 upon 2a, that is 2 into 2, 4. This gives you minus 3 plus or minus root 9 plus 8 upon 4, which is minus 3 plus or minus root 17 upon 4. So that means the two roots of this quadratic equation are x is equal to minus 3 plus root 17 upon 4 or minus 3 minus root 17 upon 4. Now since you want the answer to three significant figures, feed this to the calculator. So one of the solution here will be minus 3, negative 3 plus square root of 17 divided by 4. That will come out to be 0.28 0.28077 and so on. Okay, so now you want up till three significant figures. Now third significant figure is 0 and fourth is 7. So what did you get? Since the fourth figure is greater than 5, write it as 0.281. Okay, and what will be the second root? Negative 3 minus root 17 negative 3 minus root 17 root 17 divided by 4. So that comes out to be negative 1.7807 and so on. Now here the fourth significant figure is 0. So to three significant figures I can write it as negative 1.78. Okay. Now let us see one more problem here. Take this one. X square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Now already you have seen the factorization method in which you find out the factors of 10 such that the sum is 7 and you know that it is 5 and 2. But many times students get confused while factorizing, so they even can use this formula method. Now here a is equal to 1, b is negative 7, c is 10. So x is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b, that is negative of negative 7 plus or minus root b square, negative 7 the whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is 10 upon 2a, that is 2 into 1. Now negative of negative 7, that is 7 plus or minus negative 7 the whole square is 49 and this is 40 divided by 2, which is 7 plus or minus root 9 upon 2. So what are the two roots? Now root 9 is 3. So one value of x will be 7 plus 3 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Another value of x will be 7 minus 3 divided by 2. That is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So same problem which is solved by method of factorization, even you can solve it by the formula method. I wish the steps are okay with you. Please go through them. So next class we'll see the completing square method. So enjoy the day, children. Bye. See you.